I'm out in the parking lot. I'm walking across the parking lot, walking to a restaurant, thinking I'm gonna go sit down and get something to eat. And I see this guy, and he's like, "Hey, my name is Dave, and I was making a table, and I finished with a car."
Yeah.
All right, no, you're not watching that show. You're watching Headlights to Tailpipes, and the real story is, Dave, what's going on here?
Oh, this is a 1931 Model A Woody. It originally made by Ford. It's a real Ford product.
It is beautiful.
It's all original. The original color, and that's Manila brown is what they call that color. The brown on the cowl.
Thought that was butterscotch.
No, it's Manila brown.
Manila brown with canary yellow
Wheels, yeah.
Canary yellow wheels, all wood. What year were these made?
This is a 1931. They started making them in 1929. Ford did. And then this is a 31.
Fantastic. So what kind of reactions you getting from people? What kind of questions do you get?
Oh, mostly they very seldom see a Woody, so they're really interested in Woodies for some reason. But
so I'm kind of curious. Come on over here for a second, Dave. Is this original, a third row seat?
yes, a third row seat, because they call them station wagons because they took people from this train station to the hotel.
I love the evolution of stuff, right? Like, the stories are so cool. From the headlights to the tailpipes, I got Dave here who's really kind of breaking it down for us. If you can imagine, all right, a car inspired by a train, okay, with multiple seats, okay, third row seating, you think that just came out? No, it's been around for 100 years.
Yeah, that's right. It's been around for 100 years.
Yep. This is fantastic. So how often do you take her out?
Oh, at least once a month, yeah. Because I got 4 cars, so I have to rotate the cars so I drive all of them.
So I'm so glad that Dave came out here because I'm a brand junkie, and one of the things is I just realized that the Ford logo, this has been around forever. And that's really cool. Like, there's certain things that are just Americana, and there's certain logos, and I love that. So here you go. All right, Dave, if you guys want a table, call Dave.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry. If you want a car, call Dave.
Yeah.
Or don't call Dave.
Yeah.
And this is Josh and Dave. You're watching Headlights to Tailpipes.
So thank you.
You're watching the headlights to the tailpipes. A kit, a kit, a kit, a kit, a kit, a cat, a kit. I'm not sure.